Good afternoon, students. Yesterday in our class, we have seen application of optimization, exercise 7.8, first 4 questions. So, exercise 7.8, first 4 questions we have seen in our yesterday's class. So, now we will start with the fifth question. So, the question is a rectangular page. Okay, a rectangular page. So, draw a rectangle. A rectangular page. So, draw a neat rectangle. contain 24 centimeter square of print. Okay, so 24 centimeter square of print. The margins at the top and bottom of the page are 1.5 centimeter. So, if you have the margin, say you take like this. So, that is what is okay. So, what is given is the margin is 1.5. So, this is 1.5. This is 1.5. Okay. This is 1. Not able to write properly. 1.5. So, this portion is 1.5. This portion is 1.5. And the margins at the other sides of the page is 1 centimeter. Therefore, this is 1 centimeter. This is 1. Then what should be the dimensions of the page so that the area of the paper used is minimum? Okay. So, let x comma y be the dimensions. X comma y be the dimensions. Okay, dimension of the printed portion. Printed portion. So, what is the printed portion? This is the rectangle inside is the printed portion. Okay, the rectangle inside. This portion is the printed portion. Now, so what about the dimension of the poster? The whole rectangle is the poster. So, the dimension of the poster is, what about the dimension of the poster? Dimension of the poster is x plus 2 and y plus 3. X plus 2 and y plus 3. How? It is x plus 2 and y plus 3. See here, this is x and this is y. So, x plus 2, how do you get? This is x, and what about this? This is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. So, we get x plus 2. So, x plus 2 is the dimension of the poster. Then, what about length of the poster? What about the breadth? Y. And what about this length? This is 1.5 and this is also 1.5. So, 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. So, we get y plus 3. புரிஞ்சுதா? இங்க x இருக்குது. X and y in the inner rectangle தான் printed area. Okay? In the full portion வந்து poster. So, printed area குரிய length and breadth வந்து x and y. அப்போ poster குரிய length and breadth என்னது? இது வந்து 1 எடுத்துக்கிறோம் இல்லையா அந்த ஏரியா. இப்போ 1 போது இதுவும் 1, this is 1 and this is also 1. இதுவும் 1, இதுவும் 1. அப்போ x plus 2. So same like that. இது வந்து என்னது இந்த ஏரியா 1.5. இப்போ இது 1.5 ஆக இருக்கிறதுனால இது 1.5. This is also 1.5. அப்போ 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. அதனால நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது y plus 3 கிடைக்குது. Okay. So now what is asked to do? It is asked to minimize. Minimize, that is what should be the dimension of the page so that the area of the paper used is minimum. Okay. So we have to minimize the area of the poster. So what about the area of the poster? X plus 2 into y plus 3, that is length into breadth. And what is given? What is 24? 24 is area of the printed area. 24 is the printed area. Printed area is xy. So xy is equal to 24. So this you take it as number 1. So now from 1, what is a? So a is equal to x plus 2 into y எப்படி எழுதிடலாம் from 1, 24 by x எழுதிடலாமா plus 3. So it is equal to, what is it? LCM, we can take the LCM அல்லது multiply பண்ணு. multiply பண்ணா என்ன வந்துரும் உனக்கு? This both when you multiply, ordinary multiplication, algebraic multiplication, first நமக்கு 24 வந்துருமா plus அடுத்தது 48 by x, அதாவது இதுவும் multiply பண்ணும்போது 28, 24, this and this when you multiply 48x, then with 3x, then plus 6. Okay. Now we have to find a dash of x. So what is a dash of x? A dash of x is equal to 24, differentiation is 0. 48 by x எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 48 x power minus 1 we have done in several problems. 48 x power minus 1. So அதோட differentiation என்னது? minus 1, 48 x power minus 2. So we can write this as என்ன எழுதிடலாம்? minus 48 by x square எழுதிடலாமா plus 3, because 6 is also a constant. Now a dash of x is equal to 0. So what you will get? Minus 48 by x square plus 3 is equal to 0. So finally what you get? Minus or 48 by x square is equal to 48 by x square is equal to 3. So from this what you will get? X square is equal to 48 by 3. So what is 48 by 3? 16. X square is equal to 16. Okay. So what is x? X is equal to, therefore x is equal to plus or minus 4. But here it is length and breadth. Okay, x cannot be negative. X can't be negative. X can't be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Okay. So now what about a dash of x? A dash of x is minus 48 by x square plus 3. So what about a double dash of x? A double dash of x is equal to, இங்க என்ன வந்துரும்? அதே மாதிரி differentiate பண்ணி பாருங்க. What is it? Minus 48 x power minus 2. So how will you differentiate? Minus into minus will become as plus 2 into 48 into x power minus 3. So what is it? It is equal to 2 into 48. 96. So 96 by x cube you will get. So it is greater than 0 when x is equal to 4. அப்போ greater than 0 இருக்கிறதுனால what we have? Area is minimum. Area is minimum. Therefore, we have to find the dimensions now. So substitute x is equal to 4 in 1. அப்போ என்ன வந்துரும்? 4y is equal to 24. So which gives us y is equal to 6. So therefore the dimensions are, what are the dimensions? 4, 6. Is it clear? Okay, next we'll go to the next question number 6. Okay, sixth question. A farmer plans to fence a rectangular pasture. So this is also a rectangle. Okay, he plans for a rectangular pasture. Okay, adjacent to a river. So pasture is nothing but, what is pasture? Pulveli. Okay, pullu da, greenish, the pasture. Okay, pasture adjacent to a river. Adjacent to a river na ஒரு சைடுல river இருக்குதுன்னு அர்த்தம். அப்போ இந்த பக்கம் river இருக்குதுன்னு வச்சுக்க. So this here a river is there. So the pasture must contain 1,80,000 square meters in order to provide enough grass for herds. No fencing is needed along the river. அப்போ இந்த பக்கம் fence நமக்கு தேவை இல்லை, இது தேவை இல்லை. So along the river, what is the length of the minimum needed fencing material? அப்போ fencing material means what? வேலி போடுறதுக்குரிய உபகரணம். Okay, வேலி போடுறதுக்குரிய மெட்டீரியல் தான் fencing material. So ஒரு பக்கம் river இருக்கு, அப்போ 3 பக்கம் மட்டும் தான் நமக்கு வேணும். So take this as x, this also as x and this as y. அப்போ fencing சுத்தி போடுறோம் இல்லையா? So it is a perimeter. Okay, so let x, y be the dimensions. X, y be the dimensions. So what is given? XY area என்னன்னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, 1,80,000 it is given. Now we have to minimize. What should we minimize? No fencing is needed. What is the length of the minimum needed fencing material? Okay, so we have to minimize the perimeter. So here what is the perimeter? 2x plus y is the perimeter. எதனால? அந்த ஒரு சைடு என்ன வேண்டாம்? fencing வேண்டான்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Okay, fencing வேண்டாம், அதனால 2x plus y. Okay, so now what is p of x? P of x na appo y remove பண்ணிரணும் இல்லையா? So this you take it as 1. அப்போ 2x plus, from here y can be written as 1,80,000 by x. Okay, so now we have to minimize the perimeter. So differentiate, எல்லாம் ஒரே procedure தாமா. So p dash of x, what is p dash of x? 2 minus, இதை differentiate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? 1,80,000 by x square. Okay, same as the previous one. So now put p dash of x is equal to 0. அப்போ p dash of x is equal to 0 means what you will get? 1,80,000 by x square is equal to 2. So from this x square is equal to 1,80,000 by 2. So it is equal to 90,000. 90,000. So it is equal to 90,000. So what about x? X is equal to 300. Okay, because x can't be negative. Same procedure da. X can't be negative, so we get only 300. Okay, so x is equal to 300. So now we have to find p double dash. So what about p double dash? P dash of x வந்து என்னது? P dash of x is 2 minus 1,80,000 by x square. அப்போ p double dash of x. What about p double dash of x? It is equal to 2 into 1,80,000 by x cube. So when x is equal to 300, what about p double dash of x? It will be greater than 0. So what we say? Therefore perimeter is minimum. Perimeter is minimum. Appo perimeter minimum. So substitute in 1. Substituting x is equal to 300 in 1. 1 la substitute pannunga. What you get? Y you get it as 600. Okay. So what about the length of the fencing? So length of fencing. Length of fencing is equal to 2x plus y. Appo 2 into 300 plus 600. So it gives us 1200. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 7. 7th question. Find the dimensions of a rectangle with maximum area that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Okay. So a circle. A circle of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, circle of radius 10 centimeter we have to draw. So inscribed by a rectangle. It is inscribed by a rectangle na உள்ளார என்ன இருக்குது? ஒரு rectangle இருக்குது. Okay, உள்ள circle குள்ளார ஒரு rectangle இருக்குது. So take the rectangle as PQ or S, and so you can draw, this is y axis, our center will be x axis. Okay, so this is the center O, and here this is the radius, and this is the angle theta. We have seen already, complex numbers we have seen. This r will be r cos theta comma r sin theta. Now the radius வந்து என்னது 10. So what is this? 10 cos theta comma 10 sin theta. Okay, r is 10 cos theta comma 10 sin theta because 10 is the radius. Now, so from the diagram now, from the figure, area of the rectangle PQRS is equal to, what about the area? So we'll take it as A. Okay, area of the rectangle, we'll take it as A is equal to length into breadth. Appo length into breadth na 10 cos theta into 10 sin theta. Okay, sorry, it's not 10 actually. Enna varum? 20 varum, because this is 10 and this is also 10. Appo 10 plus 10 is 20. Purida? This is 10 and this is also 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay, in the point வந்து எது? This one, இதுதான் இந்த point. 10 cos theta and this one is 10 sin theta. Okay, அது வந்து point. இங்க area வந்து என்னது length into breadth. Okay, rectangle is length into breadth. So we have 20 cos theta into 20 sin theta. So it is equal to 400 sin theta into cos theta. இப்போ இந்த 400 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 200 into 2 sin theta cos theta எழுதலாமா? So what is 2 sin theta cos theta? We have know it is equal to sin 2 theta. Therefore, this can be written as 200 into sin 2 theta. Okay. So this is A. So what about A dash? அப்போ A dash வந்து என்னது 200 cos 2 theta into 2 வந்துருமா? So A dash is 400 cos 2 theta. Now A dash is equal to 0. அப்போ A dash is equal to 0 na 400 cos 2 theta equal to 0. So what we have? Cos 2 theta equal to 0 va? So cos 2 theta is 0 means then what about 2 theta? 2 theta is equal to pi by 2 because cos pi by 2 is 0. Appo 2 theta is pi by 2. Appo theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Now we have to find A double dash. So A double dash poduvom. So what is A dash? A dash is equal to 400 cos 2 theta. அப்போ A double dash என்ன வரும்? Cos 2 theta differentiation is minus sin 2 theta into 2. அப்போ minus 800 sin 2 theta வந்துருமா? Okay. So now when theta is equal to pi by 4, theta க்கு pi by 4 substitute பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ A double dash என்ன வரும்? Minus 800 sin 2 into pi by 4. Pi by 2 வருமா? அப்போ pi by 2 வந்துச்சுன்னா what do you get? A double dash is less than 0. No, because sin pi by 2 is 1. Minus 800 இருக்குது. So A double dash is less than 0. So what we know? Area is maximum. Area is maximum. அப்போ area maximum இருந்துச்சுன்னா இருக்குது. So we have to find the dimensions now. So what about the dimensions? 20 cos theta and 20 sin theta. இல்லையா? அப்போ thetaக்கு நீ என்ன substitute பண்ணணும் இப்போ? pi by 4 substitute பண்ணணும். So the dimensions are 20 cos pi by 4 and 20 sin pi by 4. Okay, 20 cos pi by 4 and 20 sin pi by 4. So sin cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 da. So 1 by root 2 you can rationalize it. அப்போ இது என்ன வந்துரும்? 20 root 2 by 2 வந்துருமா? So it is equal to 10 root 2 va? So what about the dimensions? 10 root 2 comma 10 root 2 are the dimension. Okay, இது calculation. So அது எப்படி எழுதிடலாம்? 10 root 2 comma 10 root 2 தான் என்னது? Dimensions. Is it clear all of you? Okay. Now similar problem is 9th one. 9th question is similar to this. You can take it for homework. Only difference is உனக்கு என்ன difference அப்படின்னா இந்த சர்க்கிள்குள்ள இருக்கிற ரெக்டாங்கிள் வந்து இங்க என்ன சர்க்கிளை வந்து என்னன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? செமி சர்க்கிள்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So the diagram will be like this. Okay, எப்படி இருக்கும் இப்போ? செமி சர்க்கிள். So you will have only this. இவ்வளோ தான் இருக்கும். Okay. இப்போ இதுக்கு உள்ளார ரெக்டாங்கிள்னும் போது இவ்வளோதான் இல்லையா, இதுதான். அப்போ இது P Q R S. ஓகே, இது 9th கொஸ்டினுக்கு. இஸ் இட் கிளியர்? ஸோ வாட் வில் பி, இங்கே வந்து ரேடியஸ் வந்து R தான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ இந்த பாயிண்ட் R வந்து R cos theta R sin theta. ஸோ வாட் அபவுட் த லென்த் PQ வந்து என்ன வரும் உனக்கு? 2R வருமா? 2R cos theta. ஓகே, PQ வந்து 2R cos theta and QR will be R sin theta தான். ஏன்னா இதில் ரெக்டாங்கிள்ல பாதி தான் இருக்குது. Is it clear? So PQ is equal to 2R cos theta and QR வந்து R sin theta. Okay, take like this and do it same as the 7th question. You will be able to do it. Okay, so do that for homework. 9th question is for homework. Now we'll go to the question number 8. Question number 8. Prove that among all the rectangles of given perimeter, the square has the maximum area. Okay, very simple question. And similar one is, say, example you have the similar one, so that example can be taken for homework. Example 7.65 is a similar one. So let x comma y be the dimensions. X comma y be the dimensions. X comma y be the dimension. So what is given? P is equal to 2x plus 2y. Okay, because 2 into L plus B, perimeter of rectangle enaduma 2 into L plus B. So inga 2L plus B. So 2L plus 2B, 2x plus 2y nu eldirukrom, vera onnum illa. We have to minimize. Enna minimize pannanom? Area of the rectangle is xy. அங்கே எக்ஸாம்பிள் ப்ராப்ளமில் அப்படியே ஆப்போசிட்டாக வரும். ஏரியா கொடுத்துட்டு பெரிமீட்டரை மினிமைஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஓகே, அப்படி இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டினும் செகண்ட் கொஸ்டினும் பார்த்தோம்ல, அதே மாதிரி அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸில் வரும். ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் வாட் இஸ் ஏ ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்? அப்போ ஏ ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு, அதாவது திஸ் யூ டேக் இட் அஸ் 1. அப்போ ஃப்ரம் 1 ஒய்யை எப்படி எழுதிடலாம்? P minus 2x by y ன்னு எழுதிடலாமா? From 1. Okay, so what is this now? Sorry, by 2. By 2. Okay, so now 1 by 2 வெளியில எடுத்துடலாம். So it is px minus 2x square. So a dash of x, what about a dash of x? 1 by 2 into p minus 4x. Okay, so now we have to find a dash of x is equal to 0. அப்போ a dash of x is equal to 0 na 1 by 2 into p minus 4x is equal to 0. So p minus 4x, 1 by 2 is not equal to 0. அதனால p minus 4x is equal to 0 வந்துருமா? So what about x? X is p is equal to 4x. So x is equal to p by 4. So now we have to find f, a double dash. So what about a double dash? A dash of x. So we'll do it here. What is a of x? A dash of x வந்து என்னது? 1 by 2 into p minus 4x. அப்போ a double dash of x 1 by 2 into இது 0 minus 4. So it is equal to minus 2, which is less than 0 always. Okay, when x is equal to p by 4, double dash of x, a double dash of x is maximum. இப்போ என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, டைமென்ஷன் கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்களா. ஸோ we have to find the dimensions now. அப்போ x is equal to p by 4, substituting in 1, 1ல substitute பண்ணுங்க. So what do you get? Y also you will get it as p by 4. Okay. So x is equal to p by 4. So p is equal to 2x plus 2y. So p is equal to 2 into p by 4 plus 2y. So we get p minus p by 2 is equal to 2y, yeah? Because it goes 2 times. So p minus p by 2 is 2y. P minus p by 2 is p by 2 is equal to 2y. So from this we get y is equal to p by 4. So therefore x is equal to p by 4 and y is equal to p by 4. We have to find the area. Okay. So therefore area, what about the area? Area is equal to xy. So what is it? Area is equal, no, it is, okay. So now x is equal to pi by 4 and y is equal to pi by 4. Both are same. Therefore both are same இருக்கறனால என்ன சொல்லிரோம், x is equal to p by 4, y யும் p by 4. Therefore it is a square. Okay. So the rectangle, what is the question? All the rectangles of given perimeter, the area, the square has a maximum area. So because the area is maximum, the rectangle becomes a square with minimum perimeter. Okay. So thank you students. We will see the remaining questions in the next class.